What's up everyone, my name is Dora and you're watching Creative Bath Lab. This video is sponsored by bathbombmachine.com. Jason sent me a brand new B3 model bath bomb machine to test out and I'm really excited about it. I've never tried one before. And there's definitely a small learning curve, nothing you can't handle, and I'm gonna walk you through it. All right, let's go test this bad boy out. Please read the description for the recipe, substitutions, helpful information, tips, tricks, updates, and the supply list. The bath bomb machine comes fully assembled and it comes with a very detailed manual. And then it also comes with a demolder, however you want to say that. This slides in there like that, and it gets the bath bomb right out. All of the bath bomb molds come with a top, bottom, and a sleeve. You just insert it like this, and then just tighten it just a bit. Align the bottom mold. Then align the safety plate and secure it in place. Conduct a test run to make sure everything is lined up perfectly. All right, that's ready to go. Last, connect your air compressor. This recipe is a bit different than normal recipes. Thoroughly mix the batch and knead it with your hands. Unlike in a normal recipe, the mixture will not hold together when squeezed. I'm assuming because it's drier than normal. Fill the mold all the way up to the tippy top. Simultaneously press these two buttons. This bath bomb is extremely fragile. These are even more fragile than regular. But after 24 hours of drying, they're super hard, they're perfect. Here's a demonstration of the Jumbo Sphere mold. It's the 3-inch. This makes just gargantuan bath bombs. Okay, so these are all the bath bombs that I was able to make with the bath bomb press. As you can see, it's quite a bit. This is the shampoo bar mold. This is the only one that does not come with a sleeve, so it is the only one that you cannot make a bath bomb with. It is strictly for making shampoo bars. The next one is a hexagon mold. It makes really fun little hexagon shapes and you can get really colorful with. Love those. I love these. The next one is the jumbo mold. My God, they're so big. And here is the 2-inch. I wish he offered a 2.5-inch. Look at this. We got mini and extra large and jumbo. So a size in the middle, like 2.5 would be perfect. Last, we have the square molds. You can fill them however much you want. I fill it to the top. The reason I love these is because you can make them any size you want, thicker or thinner, short or tall. They look great no matter what. God, I wish you could smell this room right now. It smells incredible. Make no mistake about it. The molds sold at bathbombmachine.com are heavy-duty molds specifically designed to withstand the force of the machine. They're a lot heavier, sturdier, stronger, etc. But, have you ever wondered if regular bath bomb molds work with a bath bomb machine or bath bomb press? I know I have. And even though it's strongly advised against it, my curiosity got the better of me. Oops. But if you do this, do so at your own risk. With that being said, I've had great success using regular bath bomb molds. Use extreme precaution. Start out with a low PSI, like 70, then gradually work your way up to a higher pressure. Notice that I have it all the way down to 70. And I'm gonna put the top one just like this, right? Make sure it's lined up perfectly. There we go. So now it's at 100 almost exactly. So now it's at the highest level that it possibly can be, 125. I've tested several regular molds and they all hold up to the pressure. However, they're not as fast as the molds designed for the machine, as they don't slide right out of the jacket. They don't have the hole at the bottom to unmold them quickly, and I usually have to tap them to get them out. With that being said, it's still awesome knowing that this machine works with regular molds. Another shout out to Jason at bathbombmachine.com. This machine is easy, effective, and I'll just say it, fun. Everyone wanted to give it a try. My brother, Timothy, spent an entire afternoon cranking out bath bombs. He had so much fun. He even talked about starting a bath bomb business. Okay, so the machine is a hell of a lot faster and easier versus molding by hand. If you sell bath bombs, a machine is not only a smart investment, in my opinion, it's an essential investment. The old adage is true, time is money. Even if you don't sell bath bombs, but you make a lot of them like me, this machine definitely saves you time. Fun fact, you need an assembly line to do it, but this little machine can crank out over 1,700 bath bombs per hour. They even have machines that make 12 at a time. If you're interested in a bath bomb machine, Jason's information will be linked in the description. Alright y'all, that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, show my channel some love and hit that big red subscribe button.